Welcome to your dream home at 5106 Coastal Scene Drive, nestled in the heart of Apollo Beach, Florida. Built in 2017 by CalAtlantic Homes, this stunning residence showcases the flexible Bonita II floor plan, offering a harmonious blend of luxury and comfort across 2,441 square feet of living space. As you step inside, be greeted by the warmth and elegance of wood-look porcelain tile flooring that extends throughout all main living areas, setting the stage for a home that's as inviting as it is stylish. The home boasts 3 generously sized bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, ensuring ample space for family and guests alike. Designed with modern living in mind, this home features a separate office space for your work-from-home needs and a formal dining area perfect for hosting dinner parties. The additional cafe-style eating space adjacent to the kitchen provides a cozy spot for morning coffee or casual meals. The heart of the home, the kitchen, is a chef's delight with upgraded appliances, granite countertops, and direct access to the screened-in patio through elegant French doors, ideal for indoor-outdoor living. The expansive living room is a testament to the home's thoughtful design, offering plenty of room for relaxation and entertainment. Car enthusiasts and hobbyists will appreciate the 3-car garage, complete with 2 front parking spaces and an additional tandem space for a 3rd car, workshop, or golf cart. The backyard is a blank canvas with ample room for a pool, where you can create your private oasis with views of the serene Wolf Creek Nature Reserve. Plantation shutters adorn the windows, enhancing the home's coastal charm, while upgraded lighting fixtures and a tankless gas water heater add a touch of sophistication and efficiency. Living in Murray Bay means embracing a lifestyle of leisure and luxury. This resort-style community offers endless recreational and entertainment options, including tennis, pickleball, basketball, kayaking, paddle boards, lagoon walks, numerous parks, cafe dining, an evening sports lounge, community docks, activities, and 2 heated resort-style pools. Navigate the golf cart-friendly streets to Murray Bay Village Plaza, where you'll find a variety of restaurants, grocery store, a dry cleaner, liquor store, nail salon, hair salon, and more. With an annual HOA fee of just $157, 5106 Coastal Scene Drive is more than a home, it's a gateway to a life of coastal bliss and community engagement. Don't miss the opportunity to make this exquisite property your own.